Alright, let me show you how to add color to a text box in Canva. So a lot of people think you can just change the background of a normal text box, but Canva actually doesn't work like that. So as you can see here, so first, as you can see, let's add some text. So I added a heading here. Now we have a regular text box here. You can change the font. So we can change the font here as we want. You can change text color. So as you can see, but notice something important. There is no option to change the background color of this text box. So how do we fix that? Pretty simple. Instead of using a normal text box, we are going to use a shape. So go here to the elements and then scroll to the shapes and click select all. So recently used, where is shapes, like that, and here basic shapes, we can click see all, and you can choose any shape you like, but I will use that one rectangular here. Put it in. Now resize it however you want. So I will go like that. And so if you double click inside, you can actually type the text in it. This is basically a text box with a background. So at the top, you can change the shape color. So we can change it here however we like. So I will shape, for example, to this salmon, some kind of orange color, and set the text. I will set to the black. Now I can type in, for example, hello text box. What we can do now is I can change font size. A little too much. Okay, so now I need to select the text and then we can change. Oh, come on. Change like that. Even lower. Something like that. Now we can also place it wherever we want, align like so. Doesn't matter. We can do it bold, italic, underline also. So this is then final result. So you can play a little bit. We can also corner roundings that it's more weird shapes, and this can be final shape. So even though Canva doesn't let you color a normal text box, this method gives you way more control. Just use shapes instead of regular text elements, and you will get fully customizable text box. And that's the easiest way to add color to the text boxes in Canva. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.